Cook some more. Okay, last night my tooth pain started. There was an abscess that developed on my tooth. And so last night I took me 2 pain pills and I laid my butt down and I was thinking, oh geez, I gotta get up and vlog, you know, this light cleaning video. Y'all, I don't even feel good to do it because I know I need to take care of this, you know, tooth and stuff. So my, you know, self is more important than vlogging, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take care of this by just resting and not getting any air into the tooth because, yeah, I think there's a hole in my back tooth. Yeah. But it's not excruciating pain. It's like a throbbing little pain, like pulsy type of pain. Cause there's different levels of tooth pain, right? There's pain where your tooth hurt and you're like, oh. But this one is, okay, this tooth needs to get pulled, you know. It feels like the tooth is like, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm not in pain though. I just can feel like a little soreness in this tooth though. I'm constantly sweeping this little tiny kitchen. It seemed like sometimes my kitchen always gets dirty. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Anywho, I ran some dishwater. I'm gonna wash some of these dishes. But yeah, I had to take my butt to sleep last night after I vlogged that little cooking session here on my YouTube vlog. Yeah, so I took my butt to sleep after I cooked last night. My auntie used to always say, when you have a toothache, make sure that you don't get no air in that tooth by, you know, wrapping your face with a scarf or something, you know, putting something over your mouth so that, you know, air can get access to your, you know, teeth. So that's what I did, and I laid my butt down last night because I didn't want to wake up like in super pain, you know what I mean? The tooth pain can hurt sometimes, but thankfully it's not like a scorching, but thankfully I'm not having like sore tooth pain, you know? It's like a throbbing pain. So I just been mainly resting for most of the day. I really wanted to do a cleaning vlog, light cleaning and stuff, but girl, I'm gonna just take it easy for the rest of my evening and call it a day because I just need this time to just relax, to be honest with you. Just to be honest. Yeah. My self-care comes first, so yeah. But I know I need to wipe down my front door. I need to wipe down the walls. See, I wanted to do all this on camera, but this toothache got in my way. Everybody, welcome back Today is October the 3rd. I'm not feeling good. I don't feel good. Today I was supposed to upload a Wednesday and Thursday vlog, but I'm gonna have to reschedule uploading that vlog at a later time because I need to take care of me. This tooth is really painful. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care.